busy viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we'll be solving this beautiful integral. So we have integral of 1 plus x plus square root of x plus x squared over square root of x plus square root of 1 plus x. So I want to solve this indefinite integral. So how are we going to solve this question? Okay guys, before we dive into the solution, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and share. Okay, so let's dive into the solution. Now, let me write out the question. Once again, we have integral of 1 plus x plus square root of x plus x raised to the power of 2 over square root of x plus square root of 1 plus x dx. Well, this question, looking at it, is a little confusing, but we're going to use a simple method in solving this question. Now, do you know that you can rewrite the numerator in this way? You know, the numerator, which is 1 plus x plus square root of x plus x squared. You know, this is the same thing as square root of 1 plus x, then multiply by square root of 1 plus x, then plus square root of x. Do you know that because square root of 1 plus x multiplied by square root of 1 plus x, that will give us 1 plus x, and then square root of 1 plus x multiplied by square root of x. So if you open the bracket, x will multiply by 1, that will give us x, plus x multiplied by x, that will give us x squared. So we have this. So that is nice. Since we can rewrite the numerator, so we are going to have integral of square root of 1 plus x, then into bracket 1 plus x, then plus square root of x, then over square root of x plus square root of 1 plus x dx. So we can see that square root of x plus square root of 1 plus x will cancel out square root of 1 plus x plus square root of x. Then what we have now is integral of square root of 1 plus x dx. So we like make a substitution. So we make a substitution here. We are going to say let 1 plus x is underlying. So let 1 plus x be equal to u. So if 1 plus x is u, so you have dx is equal to du. Okay. So we're going to have integral of square root of u du. So and this can also be written as integral of u raised to the power of 1 over 2 du. And then remember that integral of u raised to the power of n du is the same thing as u raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So in this case, our n is 1 over 2. That will be u raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1, then divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So which is equal to, 1 over 2 plus 1 will give us 3 over 2. And then 1 over 2 plus 1, that's also 3 over 2. So 1 divided by 3 over 2, so that's going to give us 2 over 3 multiplied by u raised to the power of 3 over 2, then plus c. And then remember that u is 1 plus x. So since u is 1 plus x, we are going to return back the original variable of u. That is, we are going to have 2 over 3, then multiply by 1 plus x, then raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Therefore, integral of 1 plus x, then plus square root of x plus x raised to the power of 2 over square root of x, then plus square root of 1 plus x dx is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 plus x raised to the power of 3 over 2, then plus c. So that is the correct answer. All right, so what option is that? Let's check the option. So that is option B. So option B is the correct option right here. Okay guys, so that will be the end for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.